Hi everybody, it's Angie from Our Little Home Garden. So today I wanted to tell you about a really easy trick that's going to make sure that you never forget the name of the plants that are in your garden again. Flower garden, vegetable garden, whatever it is. This is going to help you immensely. So what you need is a hole punch and some key rings. I got this little pack here from Staples for probably $6 or $7, and they're just little plastic rings like this. Comes with your little ring. You could use probably even a paper clip and some construction paper, or they have ones that are like little round ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the name of the bed right here, or the container. I use this for beds and containers. And you can write the season, the year, whatnot. And then you're going to punch a hole into the little tags that come with your plant. And then you attach them to your little key ring, and it looks something like this. So this is our front cottage garden. And then this is all the plants that you will find in there. So this will be really helpful if you're showing off your plants and somebody says, oh, what's that plant? And you say, oh, I can't remember. I don't remember the variety or the name. Or if you forget like how much sun something needs or water, or if it's an annual, because you still have all of your information on the back of your plant tag. You've got your name and your variety, everything on your tag. And so this will save you so many headaches. And you can just keep it in a little tub or something, a little drawer, and keep them all together. And I like to keep them, I don't get rid of them at the end of the season. I keep them forever so that I know, oh, I was looking at a picture of my garden 2 years ago and I love that plant and I just can't remember what it was, and I can just go and pull out the one from that year, see what it was, and then I can plant it again. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video, and stop back for lots of other tips, tricks, garden tours, talks about flowers, and all of that good stuff. And so until next time, bye.